And we're set for our next 3D shape challenge in our 3D dictionary. It's shape number 3. Remember, have your pencil handy. You're going to sketch lightly, first rule. Second tool, your ruler or straight edge, because you're going to use that for any straight lines, and we're going to do a lot of straight lines in this shape. Also, hey, follow me. That's rule 3. Here we go. So, got my big box right here. Remember, your 3D dictionary has 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, because if you can draw those 4 shapes, you can draw anything. Here we go. Follow me. This would be my big box right here. A little over to the left, maybe about midway down. I want you to go ahead. You're going to make a dot over here. Okay, nice big dot. You can see at home. All right, next what you're going to do, we're going to stick to the left-hand side. If we did it to the top, you're going to go down a little bit more. You're going to do it on the bottom. Here we go right there. All right, next. If we did it to the left, let's go ahead and do it to the right. That's right. Top. Going to go down a little bit, straight down. Try to make it nice and even. All right, perfect. So we got 4 dots for this 3D shape. Here we go. You're going to use your ruler. Let's stick left-hand side from top to bottom. Go ahead, nice straight line. Remember, my board's big. I don't have a ruler big enough, so I'm going to try to make them nice and straight. Yours should be at home. Very nice and straight. Top to bottom. There we go. Next, if I did it to the left, let's do it to the right. Here we go. There are 2 lines that run vertical, but side by side with one another. What are those called? That's right. Parallel lines. All right. Now, instead of doing our vertical lines right now, we're going to go ahead and do the opposite of vertical. Anything that travels that way is horizontal. Perfect, like looking at the horizon. Let's go. Left to right at the top. Next, we did it to the top. Let's do it to the bottom. Here we go. Okay, guys, so basically, I have a square right here. It's even on all sides. Pretty much for the most part. Remember, a square is even on all sides. Now what we're going to do is we're going to give dimension to that square. A 3D square is, I guess I'm going to give it away, is a cube. So we're going to make this a cube. So what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you real quick about angles. You're going to say, what's an angle? That's what I'm going to show you. So if you were biking, skateboarding, hey, I'd love to do a lot of action sports. If you were to ever do a 180, so if I were to go, whoop, switch it around. Switch it around. So from front to back, that's basically a 180 degree turn. A 360 would be all the way around. Okay, remember, what we're looking at is right now a 180. Okay, next would be 90 degrees. Looking at this arm. Half of that would be 45 degree angle. And that's what we're looking at for the cube, is a 45 degree angle. 180, 90, 45. Okay, so let's go back. Top left. I want your ruler at an angle just like that. I'm going to aim off the page that way. Here we go. I'm going to lay my ruler down. I'm going to do a dash line. It's going to go off to, it's okay if you go off the page. That's fine. All right, so you should have something like that. There's my dash line, about a 45 degree angle. Next, I want you to go ahead and slide your ruler right down to the next point, the next dot. It's got to be the same angle. Slide it right down. Once you're there, dash line. Okay, perfect. Now, down on the bottom right-hand dot, same thing. Slide your ruler right down into position, dash line. Remember, anytime you want to stop this video and catch up, go ahead and hit the pause button. Okay, next, here's what we're going to do. On our dash lines, we're going to go up a little bit and we're going to pick a spot. I just want you to mark a dot right there. Next, the line is straight here. Your ruler, these need to be straight. These lines that we're going to make. What you're going to do is you're going to go lay your ruler down, slide it up and over. Where you see it connect on this dash line, you're going to make a dot there. Okay? Next, what you're going to do is if this line is straight, you're going to flip your ruler, line it up with this dot right here. You're going to go straight down. You're going to make another dot right there. So we've got 3 new dots. Now what we're going to do is we're going to connect them. Got to make sure everything's straight. So dot to dot, once you lay your ruler, dash line. Perfect. The whole goal is to see that we're even. Now, let's look at the vertical line. Dot to dot. Put your ruler down. Dash line. Perfect. Now here's what I want you to do. From all the dots to dot, we're going to go ahead and connect. So let's start on the left-hand side. Use your ruler. Dot to dot. Connect. Next, dot to dot. Connect. Connect. And now anything that is a dash line, we could remove. Perfect. What do we have here? That's right, a cube. Alright, so remember I said if you could draw shapes, you can pretty much draw anything. Let's think, a cube. Alright, I got it. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this real quick. Might be in the way. Relocate it. This is our cube. Alright, here we go. Alright, what do I have here? Well, it's an old-fashioned TV. So, I don't know, maybe you guys are too young to see. TVs used to be really thick back in the days, not very thin. But hey, that's an example of what you can do with a cube. Hey, stay tuned. Next shape, the fourth shape, coming at you.